Hey guys, it's Abby from Make Life Your Own Way, and I'm here in my weekly makeup basket. Wow, that one was like struggling a little bit. But here are the products from last week. We are going to talk about those. Here are the products from last week's basket. We are going to talk about those, and then we're actually going to pick products for the next 2 weeks. Since next week is Thanksgiving holiday, I just won't have time to film and edit and all of that stuff, and I typically try not to post a lot during the holidays anyways, so we are going to pull for 2 weeks. So if that sounds like something you'd like to watch, then just keep watching. Here we go. Alright guys, so I thought I would just show you my face, and if you watched my favorites video, you've already seen this outfit, but I just wanted to talk to you about all these products because what I do is after I'm done filming my weekly makeup basket, I put all the products in one bin, and then as I finish them, I put them in the other bin. So we actually used up all the products that were pulled from this time around, and we got a lot of use out of them. So let me start with what's on my face today. For eyes, we had the Just Peachy palette by Too Faced, and this is an all matte shadow palette, and I challenged myself all week to do all matte eyes, and I actually really like them. I think it's really pretty, and I don't know, it's been really nice. But we're gonna put that away. Okay, and then we have some products that live in here. Like, you guys know I love my Banana Bright from Makeup Revolution. So that lives in here. Lots of pan. Let's talk about the pan. So, yes, please. Oops. Yes. And then my Hourglass Dim. Lots of pan in here. We're just scraping the edges. Woo! Then this is so I have these two powders on today, but they stay in here. I also have the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in Y225. This is one of my favorites, but we also have a lot of pan in here as well. Look at us go. Alright, and then the two powders that we pulled to use this week, the No. 7 powder in Light. This is the finishing powder. I do like this under my eyes. I do like it to set my makeup. I do like it to finish my face as a finishing powder. I just think there's so many uses to it. I absolutely love it, but we'll put that back. Also, the Covergirl Advanced Radiance. This one is in Creamy Natural, and again, I really like this product. Same as the No. 7, I'll use it to set my face. I'll use it as a finishing powder and all that stuff. So those were the two setting powders. Got lots of use out of those this week. And then this is Neglected November. So I pulled out blush, bronzers, highlighters that I feel like are neglected in my collection, and then we go through and use them through the month and see how we feel about them. So the first is the ABH Amrezy palette. I really like this a lot, and it's not neglected because I dislike it. It's just I get distracted by other things in my collection. I have it sitting underneath the Benefit What's Up, but I've really loved using this all month. Was nice to, all week. It was nice to reconnect with it. And then we had two highlighters in blushes. Am I okay? Blushes. The first one is what is on my face today. The Clinique Nude Pop. Wow. I really love it. Like, it's just so pretty and natural and adds a really nice definition to the face, but that's what it looks like in the pan. So it was nice to reconnect with that one. Buxom, Wonderlust, and Mykonos. I used this one time this week, and she's pigmented. She scares me, but it's definitely really pretty once it's on the face. I just have to get over my fears when I use it. And then the other products that stay in here, I have the Lancome liner, Drama liner, and that's the liner I have on today. I have on my brows the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie and Taupe. Love that. I have Benefit Gimme Brow over it. I've been really good about using my nude liner from Maybelline Infallible. I have that on my underline under my eye, my waterline. Really like it. And then the two mascaras that I have on today, L'Oreal Primer. I really have been enjoying this in my life. And then over it, this one only has, well, at the end of December will be 3 months of using this, and then I'll have to pass it along to the trash can. But Benefit Roller Lash is what's over it, and I just like think they're really pretty and long and all of that. So the product that I pulled from the Neglected that I'm like, this is the Cream Shop Tiki Bikini Bronzer, and here's what it looks like, y'all. I have it on today. Just look how patchy it is. When I put it on, it is straight patch. Like, I can't blend it. It's hard to work with. It's just slightly dark for me. I have to use like basically all of my powders to blend it out and to get like a more like okay look with it. So I just don't love it. We're gonna just keep it over with the Neglected makeup, and we'll talk about it again at the end of the month. Okay. Then for primers, we pulled the Wet n Wild primer. We loved this for the whole month. Then we pulled 2 concealers, which I'm wearing today, the Milani Conceal and Perfect and the CoverFX Power Play. These together, just absolutely stunning. I'm sure the number 7 powder underneath helps, but I just think my under eyes look really nice. I don't know. But I really enjoyed using those. And then I've been pretty much keeping the lip products the same in here. We'll go ahead and put back Maybelline Philosopher, the Super Stay. I'm going to keep in Buxom Spiked Apple Cider. Love her. We'll keep her in here. The What's on My Lips is Tarte Bare Bud. This one just stays. It lives over here. And then Becca Rosewood. This is just one of the smaller Ultimates. And we'll just keep this over here as well. But yeah, that's going to be everything that we pulled and recap. So we're just going to move over to my collection and see what we're going to use for the next 2 weeks. Ooh. You guys already know I forgot to grab my makeup basket express, so I went and grabbed it out of the bathroom. This is the basket I keep in my bathroom for quick, super quick makeup looks, so let's do this. Here is an overview of my makeup collection. Okay, so lips, eyeshadows, the Neglected makeup, concealers, Project Pan, potential items, and then face palettes, products, all that stuff. So I think we are going to skip the lips, skip the little eye things, and probably just skip all these palettes on the top, and we'll start with this second shelf. All right, so for eyeshadows, I think what I want to pull, what do I want to pull? I've been thinking about my Urban Decay palettes and how I haven't pulled them in a while. So let's pull the Urban Decay Naked palette. This is the original that I had purchased when they were going to discontinue it. So I really want to play with this for the week. So we're going to grab that. And then we'll just slide over here. I think I want to grab one of these smaller palettes. You know what? No, which one do I want? Ooh, let's pull this one. No, we'll look at my smaller eyeshadow palettes. Here's the Neglected makeup, so we pull it from here and then we put it in here once we've pulled it to ensure that we have gone through all of it. So we need one of each. So for bronzer, actually we've gone through all the bronzers. I guess I didn't pull that many for the month, so let's go back into the Neglected side. Pull you back a little bit. There you go. I think I'm just going to go back to the e.l.f. We pulled this last week, but this is the e.l.f. Sunkiss bronzer, or Forever Sunkiss. So we'll pull this for bronzer for the next couple of weeks. And then for highlighter, I want to pull out this little duo. This is the Makeup Forever It's just like a sample size. It comes pre-made on the Sephora website, but it does have a nice highlighter and blush in it. So we will pull that out to use for the next 2 weeks. And I think I want to use that highlight regardless of how I'm feeling. But let's go back over to the Clinique Nude Pop and just have like a more, I guess, natural, everyday blush to wear, because this one I feel like might be intense for some just more natural makeup days. So we'll just go ahead and pull those out. I like this. I guess another test will be how many or which of these products do I go in and keep pulling through the next couple of weeks. Okay, so that's going to be everything for blush, bronzer, and highlighter, I think. So we will close those up. I think I might pull some palettes, but let's go over to concealers. Here is my concealer collection. Let's pull this Tarte Shape Tape, and this one is in Fair Beige. This is actually newer to me, so I think we'll just use it again. I know some of these I've pulled pretty recently, but why not? It's my collection. I do what I want. No, I'm just kidding. But we will pull that. Okay, here are my smaller eyeshadow palettes that I was talking about. So let's just sit them down. Okay, so I think what I want to pull in here, let's pull this Mauve Obsessions from Huda Beauty. This is a classic. But let's go ahead and pull that. We're going to pull it just a little bit extra since it's a 2-week basket. And then let's also pull in the Tarte Man Eater palette. Love this one as well. And I think this one's very holiday festive as well, so we will pull that. So we have 2 little palettes, a big palette. I think that's probably good for that. In my Makeup Basket Express, I like to keep a one and done type palette. So we've been having this Hourglass in there for the last few weeks. But I think we are going to switch out and let's see what other one and done palettes. I don't know if there's going to be options in this particular. Oh yeah, remember I get so caught up on this Catrice one. We got to be serious before I pull it, because you know I'll just keep it forever. That's all blush. That's all highlight. Kind of thinking about this. This doesn't have like a true bronzer in it. This is the MAC Ignite Wonder Face Palette. I mean, you can kind of use this one as a bronzer, but more of like a blush and highlighter palette. So I think I've had this actually in my Makeup Basket Express in the past. But let's just grab it and see how we do with it this time around. And then the face palette that's in Makeup Basket Express is the NYX Advent Pop. This is a super old one in Nouveau Chic. I only got to use this one time last week in the basket, so we'll keep it in. I just took this purple color and did like a one and done eyeshadow look, and it was really pretty. But I want to keep it in and get a couple more looks out of it. So we'll go ahead and do that and close this up. Alright, if you come around bronzers, highlighters, face powders, this is what I want to grab out. So I haven't, let's just sit it down. Makeup Basket Express, I have had the Covergirl Clean Fresh. I do enjoy this, but let's see what we've been neglecting. We just pulled the number 7, so we're going to sit it to the side. Ooh, we haven't used this yet. Let's use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Satin 05. This is new to my collection and I actually haven't used it yet. So let's use this for the makeup room. And then I like using a pressed for okay. I like using a press for the Makeup Basket Express. I think that's what expresses it up. So we'll do the Bare Minerals in the Makeup Basket Express, and then we'll do a loose powder here in the beauty room. Let's go back. We haven't. Oh wait. Here we go. Forgot about this, and I recently got it. The L'Oreal True Match in Light Ivory W2. So let's put this one in Makeup Basket Express. And then let's put this Bare Minerals in the beauty room. And I think that will be good. Actually, let's just go ahead and pull a loose powder because I haven't got a lot of use and love out of this Marc Jacobs Invisible Finish Line powder. How pretty is she? Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use this and put the rest of these away. Alright, so we do need to pick out some things from here. So I want to pull out a primer. Let's see, what are we thinking? Primer. I guess let's go with I have some actually in here, the items I'm thinking about panning. Sneak peek. I really think I just want to pull this one, the Laura Mercier Foundation Radiance Primer. This is just such a fuss-free primer, so we will pull that. The busiest little thing ever. Okay, so, and then I think I might want to pull like just, you know, we're panning stuff. You know how we do over here, but it'd be nice to have like something a little different to shake it up. Let's just pull like a lighter coverage option because we're pulling for 2 weeks. I could use this like once or twice. This is the Too Faced Do You, and mine is in Almond. So this is a very light coverage, easy to use type product. I really like that one. So that is going to be it for in here. I don't need a, these are more face palettes. These are bronzers. I think we're good. So here's our Makeup Basket Express. I'm pretty happy with the things that are in here. And then we have just our regular makeup baskets. Yeah, I think that's like a good assortment of stuff. What do you guys think? There's nothing that I'm like, oh, I should pull this or that. Like, nothing is coming to mind. I think that means we're good. Alright, so here is everything that we've pulled for the upcoming week. So Makeup Basket Express. Here are some items that just live up here on the vanity. And some are Project Pan, some are cream products, some are products that I just enjoy using, so they're sitting up front. Here are all the eye and face products that we pulled out. And then here are the face products. So whoop whoop, guys, get excited for Vlogmas. We're doing at least 2 weeks. And then we'll see what happens after that. But 2 weeks, I promise you, we're Vlogmasing year 3. So come along this journey. Subscribe if you're new. This is what we're looking like for the week for Makeup Basket. Thank you all so much for being here. I will miss you next week. I hope you have a safe Thanksgiving, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!